Right, as we can see today, there's been a massive drop off in price. Um, First thing this morning, I did get into a short trade in here. I thought price was being held here and was going to come back and fill these inefficiencies in before going again. But of course, price had other ideas. As soon as I saw price jumping out of here and pulling back, I was looking. I would have been looking at going long in here, but by this candle, I had already left for work. And we can see price came up to the 2760 area and found liquidity to drop off again. And you can see I'm assuming is related to this area. We can see price moved up on Friday. Hit, is that Friday? Yeah, price moved up on Friday. Hit into this area and dropped off. Came back into this candle again and dropped back through structure, and then through the Asian session today, price came down to Friday's low and reacted again, and we went up to the 2760 area. Like I said, now we've dropped off from there, and we can see how good this price action would have been to go short. I mean, well, you can see, this 15-minute engulfing candle at 9:15 UK time. I mean, it was just a classic setup. If I'd only been here, I could have traded it. And we can see on Friday, the 2700 area was being used as a protected low. I mean, we can see it in hindsight. But when price was dropping down here, we didn't know at that time where price was going to be stopping, and price reacted to this level, went up, as you can see, it came back again, and we had this. It's obviously being protected by the reaction that we had from there. And so today we can see we come back and price just dropped straight through. It was, a minor bullish reaction, but nothing much. And now we're down to the 2620, 2600 area, which, institutions, do use these levels to accumulate orders. There's a lot of orders placed around these levels. And we can see price is starting to consolidate, and we can see this was the lowest bearish candle, and price is broken out of this candle, out of this level, come back and tested it. But what I'd be looking for is a break above this candle, break above this level, and then we'd get a break of 15-minute structure to the upside, and then I'd be looking for some kind of pullback into some structure within here to go long from. I mean, now it's getting too late in the day to take trades, but it wouldn't surprise me to see price coming back and filling a lot of these inefficiencies in. I can see price coming back to at least to the 2700 area and testing this, if not today, then tomorrow. I mean, it might only make the 50 area, because we can see there was some reaction, close to the 50 area, very minor. But like I said, what I'd be wanting to see is price moving out of here, breaking structure before I looked at going long, because you know, because at this sort of level there's no value in going short unless you can see a good bullish response pulling back to a level and then start coming down. Just going short down here, there's no value in it. And like I said, it was this area here. It was just a classic setup to go long. So I'll show you that on the 1 minute. It's here. Look, we're getting price. You see, price is starting to come up, turn over again, and it's finding support within this area. And you see, we're just breaking above this 15-minute structure area. You see, what I'd want to see is breaking out, and you know, it would be nice to see a 15-minute candle closing above this and then working back in. I mean, this might even come back in. You see, within that bearish candle on the 1 minute, if there was some kind of positive bullish response of something like that to go long. But this morning, you can see, I mean, that was lovely. Because there is the 9:15 15-minute candle, which engulfed the rest of this, and then price came down, came up, just tested the bottom of this this area here where price broke out of. But I mean, price is just turning over and over. I mean, yeah, I mean, at that sort of level in there, you'd be short all day long. And you can see price came down to the 12700 area. There was some slight bullish reaction, but nothing much. I mean, you can see. There was very little reaction from there. And at this point, you know, you'd be looking at, well, I can't say for sure, but I'd imagine I'd be looking to go short out of here again and ride it down. And you can see, they could have taken some shorts out of these areas. Price breaks through, comes back, reacts off of it, comes out, returns, and we get the same here. Price breaks out, comes back, reacts, comes back, and reacts. But of course, we're at the bottom of this now. We're starting to consolidate. So if anything, I'd expect to see price now coming out of here and then coming back and then start building bullish structure out of here. See, it's starting to happen, but it's something to keep an eye on. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll more than likely be back tomorrow with another sort of end of day video, just to see my thought processes really. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.